Meaning of howl.
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 Howl. Howl is a verb that refers to the act of making a loud, long, and mournful sound, often associated with wolves or dogs. It is a natural instinct for these animals to howl as a means of communication with their pack. The sound can be eerie and haunting, evoking strong emotions in those who hear it. In human cultures, howling may also be used as a form of expression or celebration, such as in music or sporting events. Overall, howl conveys a sense of primal and emotional communication through sound.